iTorial, Intelligent Tutorials. CentOS6 LS File and Less Commands Tutorial, Part 1 of 3. First, log into your box. Once you're logged into your box, let's begin. ls is probably one of the most used commands in Linux. It is the list directory contents command. You could type ls on your command line to list the current working directory, like so. ls. Then press enter. Besides that, you can also specify the directory like this: ls space /usr, then press the enter key. In this other example, we will list both the user's home directory, symbolized by the tilde character, and the /usr directory. Try this: ls space tilde space /usr, then press enter. Now, let's go into the USR directory. So type cd space /usr, then click enter. We can also change the format of the output to reveal more detail, like so: ls space -l, then press enter. By adding the -l to the command, we have changed the output to the long format, so you see much more detail. Most commands follow a particular format. The command starts off with command space dash options space then arguments. This itself is not a command, I'm just showing you the format. Most commands use options consisting of a single character preceded by a dash, such as -l, but many commands, including those from the GNU project, also support long options consisting of a word preceded by 2 dashes. Also, many commands allow multiple short options to be strung together. In this example, the ls command is given 2 options: the L option to produce long format output and the T option to sort the result by the file's modification time. Type this: ls space -lt, then click enter. Alright, we'll add the long option --reverse to reverse the order of the sort. Try this: ls space -lt space --reverse, reverse, then click enter. The ls command has a large number of possible options. The most common are these: -a or --all. This lists all files, even those with names that begin with a period, which are normally not listed or considered hidden. -d or --directory. Ordinarily, if a directory is specified, ls will list the contents of the directory, not the directory itself. Use this option in conjunction with the -l option to see details about the directory rather than its contents. -F or --classify, classify. This option will append an indicator character to the end of each list name. For example, a / if the name is a directory, -h or --human -readable. In long format listings, display file sizes in human readable format rather than in bytes. This is quite handy option. -l display results in long format, as we've seen previous. -R or --reverse, REVERSE. This displays the results in reverse order. Normally, ls displays its results in ascending alphabetical order. This shows the results in descending alphabetical order. -S. Sort results by file size. -T. Sort modification time. Alright, let's break down the ls-l command. Like, we can run it, but what's the information mean? So try this. From your home directory, type cd space /bin, bin, then click enter. Now inside this directory, type ls space -l, and then click enter. You'll see a list of files, and you'll see a lot of information to the left of this list of files. The very far column that starts with -rwxr-xr-x are the file's permissions area. We'll learn more about this later, but this is very important because this lets you know if you can read, write, or execute, or do all, or do some of the following actions to this particular file. The number 1 represents the file's number of hard links, and we'll discuss this at a later point as well. The first root is the username of the file's owner. The second root you see there is the name of the group that owns the file. The 62 is the number of bytes of the size of the file. Then the November 11th that we see here is the date and time of the file's last modification. And then the last part, the zcat that's in green there, is the name of the file. This is a lot of information to digest right now, but I will break this down for you in future tutorials. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we hope you come back to watch another iTorial tutorial sometime soon.